coming 2028, may posibilidad po bang tumakbo kayo?
Ma'am, please! Ma'am, please! Please!
Yes, ma'am.
Para mapaghandaan namin lahat.
We are
Maghahanda tayo!
seriously considering, ma'am.
Please!
Tumutuloy yung
Yes!
Mama, awa ka!
Hindi siya pwede.
Ikaw lang ang pag-asa yan.
Pag-asa lang namin!
Yes, I really believe that our country will be great, and I really believe.
It will be with you! Hey! Please!
Mahirap siya ipaintindi sa ating mga kababayan, and mahirap yung kailangan natin gawin kasi you really have to stand firm